Hey there! Today we're going to talk about an interesting problem that can arise when compiling C code. The problem at hand revolves around the usage of static inline functions in conjunction with external inline functions, potentially causing a warning during compilation. Now, let's delve into the solution for this issue. The C standard explicitly prohibits external inline functions from defining static objects or calling other inline non-external functions. This means that if an external inline function tries to use a static inline function, it can lead to conflicts that violate the standard. Even though it might seem like it could work technically, the compiler is designed to detect and warn about such violations to ensure compliance with the standard. In summary, when working with static and external inline functions in C, it's crucial to adhere to the standards to avoid potential issues during compilation. Understanding the rules set by the standard can help in writing robust and compliant code. With that said, I hope you found this information helpful. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you may have. Stay curious and keep coding.